To Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I'm going to talk about noun. Before this video, I upload that what is parts of speech. That was the first video, and now it's video number second. So now let's talk about that nouns and its kinds. What is basically noun? The simple definition is naming words are called noun. The second definition is a word used to name a person, place, thing, idea, and quality of mind is called noun. Let's take examples. First of all, persons examples. Ali and Josefa. Places examples. Naushera and Mardan. Things examples. Book, pen, and chair, etc. Idea example: freedom, love, peace, and hope, etc. Quality examples: intelligence, courage, creativity. These are the examples of quality. The kinds of noun. There are of 11 different kinds of nouns. As we know that in different books, different kinds of nouns are given. But according to my research, I conclude around about 11 kinds of nouns. So we will talk about one by one. Let's talk about the first noun. The first noun is common noun. First of all, what does the word common mean? Common means general. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, place, or things of the same kind or class. For example, I say persons. So I say boy. You may ask a question, which boy? So here boy refer to every boy, every person. If I say that girl, so here you may ask a question, which girl? So here a girl refer to every girl. Next one is we have teacher. So which teacher? It may refer to every teacher. Here student. So these are the examples of persons. Next we have that is called places example. Country. So you may again ask a question, which country? It refer to any country. City. So you may say that which city. Next we have that is called town, stop, etc. These are the examples of places. Now let's talk about that further. Things, book. So again you can ask a question, which book? Next we have pen. Next we have table. You can ask a question, which table? So these all are called common nouns. Now here we have rules for writing a common noun. If you want to write a common noun, so what are the rules? The first letter of a common noun at the beginning of the sentence must be capital. Look at example. Cricket is a common noun, but here cricket is the first word. So first letter must be what? Capital. Cricket is a good game. So here I write that is C, capital. Next we have noun number 2, proper noun. The word proper means particular. We also call specific. A proper noun is the name of particular person, place, or things. Examples: persons, Ali, Josefa, and Sana. If you talk about their places, so we have Mardan and Naushera. Things, word cup, and next we have Coca-Cola. These are the examples of things. The first letter of a proper nouns. We have the rules. Rules for writing a proper noun. The first letter of a proper noun at the beginning of the sentence, middle of the sentence, and end of the sentence must be capital. For example, I say Sunday is a good day for me. Here, Sunday, S is what? Capital. And as we know that Sunday is a proper noun, or we can call that proper name. So here we say that S must be capital. If this Sunday come at the end of the sentence, look at the second sentence. I say I play cricket on Sunday. So again at the end of sentence, also we write the first letter capital. Next, noun number 3, which is called collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of collection of persons or things. Person, here we have team, and team means members of players. Family, members of family. Class, we say that students. A bunch of keys, these are the example of what things. A bundle of sticks, examples of things. A cluster of grapes, examples of things. And next video I will talk about that the next kinds of noun. That's it.